Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm with my buddy Derek and he's got a 2008 that we went to Jacksonville. This is a Ranger with a 4.0. And when I got to the house, he said he has a little bit of hesitation on takeoff. And I looked at it and we kind of guessed at it, a fuel pump or fuel filter or a regulator, but no, it wasn't that. So at last resort, I said, hey, I'm going to throw a scanner on it. We threw the scanner, it got no codes. So I decided to go into live data, and Derek was looking at the scanner and I was looking at things, and he noticed that bank 1 O2 sensor had no reading. We had no reading on bank 1 O2 sensor, but bank 2 was reading. Now, you know those sensors work on a 5 reference volt signal, and that signal is what the computer adjusts the fuel for of the truck. So by that one not leaning, I think we're running an open loop operation of the truck, and it was running rich. He assumed it was running lean, but I kind of felt like it was running rich when I saw the O2 wasn't. He pointed out the O2 sensor wasn't reading on live data. So I went ahead and grabbed a pipe wrench. I pulled out the O2 sensor. We swapped the O2 sensor. We went on one drive cycle and it still did it. The computer didn't read the O2. Well, we went on a second cycle and I didn't feel it, and it felt like it drove normal to me as a Ranger. So I feel like we fixed it, and to prove it, we went on live data again, and now this time we played it on live data and it now says the sensor's reading, and we get live data as the sensor's reading the O2 sensor. So now bank 1 O2 sensor's reading and bank 2 O2 sensor's reading, and now our hesitation has gone away. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. So anyway, this is a Ford Ranger 2008 with a 4.0 automatic. Like, subscribe, and share, and as always, keep on dreaming.